Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to make a please donate game pass in case you don't have one, because I might do some Roblox giveaways. So if you don't have one, then I'll show you how to make one in this video. So first, you want to go on a browser. It could be Safari, Google Chrome, any browser, which I have Safari, so I'm going to go ahead and go on that. And then what you want to do is you want to go to roblox.com, and then it should bring you here. And then what you're going to do, which I'm logged into my alt, I forgot I was. You're going to click on create. You're going to click on the 3 lines on the top left right here. You are going to now click on creations. And then you have your place here. You're going to click on your place. And it should bring you here. Now click on the 3 lines again that's on the top left. And now you are going to scroll down till you find a button with the word passes on it, and then you're going to click that. As you see on my alt, I have a few passes, but if you want to make more, then you click create a pass now. Then you could do the photo, you could change, do whatever, what you want, and you have to name your pass. I'm just going to name it thank you, for example, and then you're going to exit out of that, click create pass. But you're not done yet. As you see under it, it says off sale, and we want it to be on sale so people could donate to you on Please Donate. So you're going to click on that pass that you want to make on sale. You're going to click on the 3 lines. Click the 3 lines, sorry. Click sales. Then item for sale, you want that to be like that. And then you will make your pass. And then save changes. And as you see, the pass is right here on my booth. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe.